Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create vertical text in Adobe InDesign. Let's get right into it. First, take a page of your choice. Unfortunately, there is no direct option to create vertical text in InDesign like Photoshop, but we do have a workaround. The first thing you want to do is create a line. Go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and choose the Line tool. Then press Shift, click, and drag downward to draw a straight line like this. Make sure the fill and the stroke are removed, so we're only working with the path itself. Once the line is created, go back to the toolbar and find the Type tool. We don't want to use the regular Type tool, so right-click on it and choose the Type on a Path tool instead. Now, move your cursor back over the line and hover until you see a small plus icon appear. When you see that, click once to select the path. As you can see, we're now typing on the line, but the text isn't vertical yet. To fix that, take the Selection tool and select the line. Now go up to the top menu, click on Type, choose Type on a Path, and then click Options. This will open the Type on a Path options panel. Here, the main thing we want to change is the effect. Click on the Effect dropdown and choose Stair Step. Make sure Preview is turned on so you can see the changes in real time. As you can see, the letters are now vertical. Once that looks good, click OK. Now we want to adjust the spacing between the letters. Click 3 times on the text to select it all. Then go up to the Tracking option and increase it until the spacing looks clean and readable. In my case, I will increase it to 450. You can adjust it until you're happy with the result. If I zoom in, you might notice that the last letter isn't perfectly aligned with the rest of the text. One simple way to fix this is to double-click on the text to enable the Type tool again, go to the end of the text, and type a small character, like a dash. As soon as you do that, the alignment will snap into place. Then just select that dash, go up to the Fill option, and select None so it becomes invisible. And your work is done here. If we zoom out now, you can see that we have clean vertical text. Now you can change the text and format it however you like. So yeah, creating vertical text in InDesign is a little more complicated compared to programs like Photoshop or Illustrator, but this method works perfectly. And that's how you create vertical text in Adobe InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.